This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. Taxes and retirement planning, they should go hand in hand, but oftentimes tax planning is left out of the retirement preparation process. So here to make sure we put it in and we're doing it correctly is Tavon Jackson. Tavon is the founder of New Perspective Financial Solutions, a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. Good to have you back.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, what type of planning is necessary to find yourself in a lower tax bracket? And can we find ourselves in a lower tax bracket?
Well, it's funny. Everybody wants to be in the lowest tax bracket, and
Right.
everybody gets so upset because all the rich people, they say, oh, they don't pay anything in taxes. And we saw it with Trump, and they was waiting for his tax returns. But then guess what happened? He's paying less in taxes than somebody actually working a 9-to-5 job. And what people don't realize is we all have the same tax code. Okay, it doesn't change from one person to another, but you have to have a team around you. And the wealthy people, they have an accountant, they have a financial advisor. You can't go to TurboTax and try to pay the least amount of taxes. You have to have a team that can help you strategize so that you're minimizing them.
That really knows the ins and outs of the tax
Exactly.
code and everything. So how many years out from retirement do you recommend starting on this?
Well, as soon as you get a job, so you have an option to either contribute to a 401k or contribute to a Roth account. And the Roth account is a bigger hit off your paycheck because it's actually coming out of your net pay versus your gross, but that money will grow tax-free for the rest of your life. But another time that you can do it is once you turn 59 and a half and you can touch your 401k, you can start paying the taxes on that money now so that eventually when the government makes you spend the money, which is at 73, it's all tax-free.
Okay. So why do you think it is, though, that some pre-retirees don't do tax planning?
Because they listen to their coworkers. Listen to their coworkers.
It's easy. Just fill this form out,
Yep.
right?
So what happens is when you put money in the 401k, that's what we're taught to do.
Okay.
And while we're working, they say, you know, you're making a lot of money. You don't want to pay the taxes now. You want to delay those taxes until retirement because then you'll just be on Social Security and making less money. The challenge is that if taxes go up, that's actually a losing strategy. So that doesn't even really work if taxes are going up like people are saying they are.
So then from like a dollars and cents perspective, how much money could we be saving?
It's actually hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Oh,
So
wow.
think of it like this. If you put $1 in your 401k,
Right.
and let's say you didn't pay any taxes on it till you retire, that dollar eventually is going to grow to 100, 200, 300,000, and then that's when you're going to have to pay the taxes on it. But if you put it in a Roth IRA, it gets taxed now, that $1.
That $1.
But then when it grows to $1 million when you're 70, guess what? It's 100% tax-free. And people don't realize that. Would you rather be taxed on the seed or be taxed on the harvest?
Right.
I'd rather be taxed on the seed.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
All right. Thank you for breaking that
No
down
problem.
for
I tried.
somebody like me, Tavon. I totally understand it now. And for you at home, if you would like to learn more about preparing for your retirement, New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Tavon wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $100,000 or greater, they are offering a complimentary retirement income plan just for you. This will allow Tavon to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure that you are on the right track for a successful retirement. The number to dial is 240-335-8366. Again, that is 240-335-8366.